Welcome to Michelle's Workshops for Advanced. Experience what lifelong learning helps us become. Part 3, Writing a Magazine. In order to create a document where we can make the most of all the work we have been doing during the 4 preceding months, we will try to select from all that work and from new work we want to do our favorite items to create a magazine together. I'm showing you an example you can download at talkingpeople.net, the non-profit site I have. Students have given me permission to share it with you on my business side, okay? When I was in public education, I called this project the Celebration of Learning magazine. And we used it as part of the writing file to learn to write different kinds of texts, but also to include work that we had been doing along the course to remember all the kinds of exciting things that helped us learn as lifelong learners at the advanced level. Once finished, it would be up to you to allow me to publish it. That's all. You can check out talkingpeople.es if you want to download the brochure and the flyer. Thanks for listening and have a beautiful day.